Oh, no. Oh, it's welkom, Virginia. Oh, yeah. Oh, well, hello, Heather. Cèilidh.
Haguma. Uh,
Oh, well,
there was an interested person that asked about Gaelic today, and I said, "Hey,
huh,
if you are familiar a little bit, just a little bit, we're having a summer conversation class, and I assured her any level would be fine.
right.
She's
Okay.
familiar with greetings and responses about that level, so I invited her tonight.
Okay. That's good. Yeah.
She might wait till fall. I don't know. I said it's real loosey goosey. It's just for summer. It's conversation. I gave her encouragement.
Okay. Oh, good. Okay. Hello, D. Cèilidh.
Hello, Hamiguma.
Oh, Gleva. Mycology. Yeah. Anyway, cool. You should have footage minutes ago. We'll wait a minute or two. Okay. Who else might come? Lisa and Tim. Okay. Maybe Heather's friend. Heather invited somebody to sit in.
Yeah, her name's Jessica.
Okay.
Jessica. Okay.
Yeah, I gave her the old college try. Go ahead and log
Okay.
in.
Okay. Well, good.
And I'm gonna I'm gonna forward the conversational printout that you gave us. I'm just gonna
Right. Yeah.
make sure she has it.
Right. Okay. Okay. And And if she doesn't come tonight, tell her that there's
Okay.
a beginning conversation class as well on Tuesday.
Oh, there is.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
What night is that?
On Tuesday.
Okay, so last night.
Yeah.
You started last night? Okay.
Yeah. And same link.
Okay.
Yeah. So, no. Okay. Cool. And if she wants to contact me, I'll send her the info
Okay.
as well. So, all right. So we'll see. Okay. So, all right. So, about Kestik Dunyasan, anybody have any questions? No, Nayak news. Okay.
Nayak.
Oh, Lisa on show.
Nayak Akam.
Nayak, I could live on.
I don't know how to say it in Gaelic, but I'm gonna try.
Okay.
I'm gonna do a little translate. See if I can say it.
So,
There Shin Shias are Craven. Tree Craven.
take Cruven? Three trees?
Cruven.
Cruven. Oh, okay.
Tree Cruven. Gershin. Gershin?
There?
Yeah, Ghearr.
Oh, here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Gershin Shias.
Three Cruven. Oh, here now.
Tree Craven. Anti Akam.
Oh, I'm gonna. She is Gayor.
Yeah, they were very tall. Fada.
Fata.
Fata more. Fata
art.
more. Yeah, we
Play
needed
art.
professionals. They were like 100 feet high. So.
Oh, here now.
Oh yeah.
Oh, that's in Wamsak art. Okay. Okay. Hello, Lisa. Kimrao.
Too many windows open. Sorry, I couldn't get to my mute.
Hamikama. Oh, Gleva.
Yeah. Valmi ag oper. A lot. I forgot how do you say a lot.
Gumor.
Every day. Gumor.
Hula.
Hula.
Har vi told Sigvelu on show? Anok? So, that's like that. Okay. Okay. Anybody hear from Tim?
I texted him,
Okay.
but he didn't respond.
Okay. Maybe he's napping. He very often naps. So anyway, Kuyu. All right. Okay. So anyway, as you know, tonight we're going to and for the rest of the summer, we're going to have a slightly different format. And of course, I hope it works, but we'll see. And I hope it and this is the first time that I've done this particular kind of format for a whole class. So so not only am I interested to see how it works? I'd be interested in feedback from everybody, but also if it's the right length, so I don't know if it's too short or too long or or just right. So Hishin, we will see. So all right, Koyu. All right, so anyway, let me pull it up. And then now I sent out a text outline roughly of what we're going to be covering. There might be a couple changes. What I'm going to be presenting to you is a PowerPoint, more readable on the screen. And then at the end of the evening, or afterwards, I will send out a copy of that. So you have the text outline, but also subsequently a copy of the PowerPoint in PDF format. So, all right, okay. All right, so let's see if we can get started. Oh, before I go too far, I want to make sure that I share, which I sometimes forget to do. All right, okay. All right, okay. Okay, so here we go. Okay. A Chòmhradh Gaelic, keeping with the Gaelic, okay, keeping the conversation alive in Gaelic. Okay, so tonight's goal is to learn some tools to that we don't abandon the Gaelic when the sentence starts to wobble. Okay, so now, as well as individual vocabulary, one of the things that is useful to learn are set phrases, and phrases can sometimes are kind of words. I mean, you learn the phrase, and that's an idea. It's a package of an idea. So it's not just a word for a particular object or action, but the phrase itself is handy to know that you can just whip off, and that's one of the things that we'll be looking at tonight. Looking at particular phrases that'll help us get through the Gaelic. Okay. Okay. All right. Do you see this little box on the right-hand side of the screen with images of you guys, pictures of you?
Yeah.
What, do you see that? Okay. Well, I don't want that there. So anyway. So okay. All right. So okay. So the opening frame, Kumishin Gaelic. So we're going to repair phrases. Okay. Arisht again. Naslutika, slower. Fiaki mi arisht. I'll try again. Okay. Missing word bridge. Hanyo kunya akum eran ako. Hanyo kunya akum eran ako. And we'll come back to this. This is just a quick overview. So I don't remember the word. Hanyo kunya akum eran ako. Follow-up questions, and this helps us continue a conversation. Carson, why? Kuhn, when? Kova, Kolarut, who is with you? Okay. And then ways to talk around the word. If you have trouble with the word, Sheirut, okay, and then explain it. The dunya, she'acha, okay, it's a word, it's a man, it's a person, it's a place. Opinions and reasons, namvexa, okay, in my opinion. And then we'll do a little bit of conversation. Okay, and thing to remember down here at the bottom, chanem e avi furafa. Chanem e avi furafa. So, and as I say this, and be sure to prompt me if I go too fast, but I would like you to repeat these phrases. Chanem e avi furafa. Themi e avi beo. Themi e avi beo.
Fimi.
Bill.
B-A of the Bill.
Bill. Yeah, okay. All right. All right. So Atoshikuk. Starting. Anju. Kumishin Rish Gaelic. We will keep with the Gaelic. Kofatis Agavis. And as long as we can, as long as is possible. This is a little phrase by itself, Sagavis. Okay. Okay. As long as possible. All right. Okay. Anemi the Fortifer. Femi a the Beol. It doesn't have to be perfect, but it must be alive. We have to keep it alive. Okay. All right. All right. Okay. Or rather than must, sometimes fame is need. Okay. Fame can be must or to need something. All right. Okay. So the teacher asks, Avel Shiv Jashel, Avel Shiv Jashel, or Avel Shiv Atukshin. Okay. All right. And you can answer Hashin Jashel. Hashin Jashel.
Hashin Jeshel.
Hashin Atukshin.
Hashina Tukshin.
Hashin Atukshin. Hashin Atukshin Becken.
Hashina Tukshin Becken.
Okay. Chanel Shin Atukshin Gama.
Hanyel Shina Tukshin Guma.
Okay, we don't understand very well. Okay, all right, okay. A karag apishchin kukalach. Okay, repair a karag apishchin kukalach. Repairing wobbly phrases. A
Okay.
karag apishchin kukalach. Okay, all right, okay. Apichin kari. Okay, all right. Arisht Masadahole. Arisht Masadahole.
Arish Masedahole.
Masadahole. Okay, so
Masedahole.
real fast it sounds like Masadahole. Okay, but it's
Masedahole.
Arisht Mas a do hole a. Okay, something like if it is pleasurable with you, if it pleases you.
Oh.
Naslutika.
Naslutika.
Masadahole.
Masedahole.
More slowly, please. Okay. And here we have the comparative that we studied, just a few weeks ago, the comparative Naslutika. More slowly. Chanyakunya akam. Chanyakunya
Hanyel
akam.
Kunya Akam. Aaron Fakal.
Eden akam.
Akal.
I don't remember the word. Hanyakunya akam. Eden akam. You see, so when we stumble with our Gaelic, this gives us tools to still stay in the Gaelic. Hanyakunya akam. Eden akam. Hamiafiakan rira. Hamiafiakan.
Hamiafiakan Rira.
I'm trying to say. An urenhut mochuchikut. An urenhut. An urenhut mochuchikut. Can you help me? Something like literally, is it possible for you, or is possibility for you my helping? Literally means something like that. An urenhut mochuchikut. Jehashina kilaka.
J Hashina Kilaka.
What does that mean?
J
Welchen Kerst?
Welchen Kirsch.
Welchen Kerst?
Kirsch.
Is that correct? Okay. And I'm going to add one. And down here at the bottom. Fiachimi arisht. Fiachimi arisht. Down here at the bottom. I'll try again. And Fiachimi arisht.
Oh,
Okay.
Fiaki.
Yeah, down here the Fiachi.
Fiaki.
Fiachi.
Arisht.
Yeah. And I'm going to add one. Okay. All right, which is Kimmer Achanistu. And then, yeah,
Cèilidh.
Kimmer Achanistu. How do you say X? Okay. All right. And I want to, where are we? Animations. Okay, I want to, okay. All right, yeah, okay, so go through the whole thing, and then at the bottom, Cimrachanistu, X. And so, so if you can't think of anything else to say, you can just ask for help, and Cimrachanistu, and then, maybe in English, say something. Okay, okay. Cimrachanistu Airport, or something like that. Okay, Cimrachanistu Airport. Okay, how do you say? All right. Right? Okay. So these are methods to repair or to seek to repair, seek help. Kemer ma. How do you say if? There we have Kemer or J ma. Okay. What do you say? Okay.
J
ma. Okay. What do you say if? Okay. You don't remember the word. Chanyo kunya akam eran ako. Chanyo kunya akam eran ako.
Aaron.
Ako. Uh-huh. The teacher speaks too fast.
Naslutica.
Naslutica. Yeah, very good, Muslim. Yeah. Naslutica.
Nasedohe.
Yeah. And I know sometimes I do that. Sometimes I just rush through this thing. All right. You want an example? An urengut exemplar a horskop. The simpler. Do it. An urengut, could you? A simpler example is simpler a horskop. Go. Give to me.
Go.
Okay. You want to try again? Fiekimi arisht.
Oh,
Fiekimi arisht.
Fiekimi
arisht. Fiechi mi arisht. Yeah. So you have a bunch of vowels together. Fiechi. Mi arisht.
Fiekimi.
Nur nach el amfakel akat. When you do not have the word. Nur, when?
Anel kunya
akam. Very good. Okay. Okay. So Kimrachanas busy. So here we have an example. Kimrachanas busy ounce the Gaelic. So somebody says train. Okay. Okay. And then you say, Hashin kerst, hami train. See, so like that. Okay. Ganyo kunya akam eran ako. Kimrachanas busy ounce the Gaelic. Train. Oh, Hashin kerst, hami train anok. You see, so we can build on this. Okay, Hanyo kunyam akam eran ako. Hami afiken ra nakel mi sur anok. Yeah, I'm trying to say I am not free tonight. So this is a stretch. You see, this is the core. Me busy. And then bridge. Hanyo kunya akam eran ako. So it's a little bit longer. And then stretching. Ra, and then you think of another way to say it in Gaelic. Nachel mi sur anak. I'm not free tonight. How trang? Oh, shuk. Hami trang anok. You see? So there's ways to stay in the conversation, to recover the conversation. Aperst rietnach. Essential phrase. Okay. Hamiafiaken rira. Ami afiakin rira. I am trying to say. Ami afiakin rira. I am trying to say. Question lentum. Follow-up questions to keep the conversation moving. Okay? Question lentum. Following questions. Okay. Chumadol A. Keep the keep it going. Literally keep it going. Okay. And then, so this is follow-up questions. If somebody says something, you could say Augasusa.
August
Okay. Augasusa. Carson.
Carson.
Yeah, a little, okay. Kuhn.
Kuhn.
Kuhn. Okay, Kuhn.
Kuhn.
Okay, when. Kacha.
Gotcha.
Kova Kolorut.
Kova.
Who is with you? Kova Kolorut. J rain u an urshin. J rain u an urshin. What did you do then? An roe ma?
Roema.
Was it good? Inch go tuluk. Inch go tuluk. Tell me more. Okay. All right. So, example. Okay. Jaime Yan coffee. Carson. Or Vamiagiri coffee. Oh, I'm sorry. Jaime Yan cafe. Cafe. Carson Vamiagiri coffee. Okay. Went to the cafe. I misread that. Okay. Okay. Anroema. Va. Vaidleva. So notice we go back and forth like playing tennis. Kun achaiu. When did you go? On J, yesterday. Kacha. On Kupabek. Assuming that on Kupabek is the name of the coffee shop. Kova Kolorut. Who is with you? Mohu, Gilas. Okay. My dog, Gilas. Gilas is kind of a cliche dog name. Literally means faithful. It's kind of the equivalent of Fido in English. Okay. J rain u an urshin. J rain u an urshin. What did you do then? Chaishin ersan skrip an safar. We went for a walk, a skrip an safar. An roe ma? Vai wawasak ma. Inch go tuluk. Well, and then Martian Arush. Okay. Yeah. So, all right. So now we launch into the whole story of the walk in the park. All right. All right. Okay. Oper Anankaria. Okay. Pair practice. So, and so this is how this is going to go. So now, I'm going to want you guys to participate. So, following the prompts given on the next page, one student starts the conversation. So I'm going to call on you, and I will call on the next student, student number 2, to ask a follow-up question. Student number 1 answers the question, and student number 2 asks another question, which student number 1 answers. And then student number 2 chooses a statement of their own. And I will call on someone else, student number 3, to ask a follow-up question, and so on and so forth. Got that? We're going to go back and forth, okay? Yeah. And we're going to try to keep the conversation alive and open. So, all right. So, who'd like to be the guinea pig that'll start the whole thing? I can wait as long as you can.
I'll do it. I'll do it.
Okay, Leva. Okay, all right. Okay.
Let me
Okay.
think of something.
So, okay. So choose.
Choose one. Okay,
Yeah,
good.
choose one of the statements. Okay, and then and then I'll call on somebody to ask a follow-up question. Okay, so go ahead, choose your statement.
Dole, hold me
Roll,
coffee. Sa madan,
roll me coffee savaten.
savaten.
Uh-huh.
Coffee
Okay,
savaten.
I drank coffee in the morning. Roll me coffee savaten. Okay, so Heather, do you want to ask a follow-up question?
Carson?
Yeah, Carson. Okay, okay. And then Lisa?
Oh gosh. A Martha, every morning.
Oh, no, Carson is Y.
Yeah, I'm thinking,
Babowski.
a habit. Um,
Vauski.
ah, va is,
By
yeah, hamiski.
Vauski. Okay, Gleva. Okay. And then Heather, ask another follow-up question.
Kova cola root?
Ruth, Gleva. And then Lisa, do you have a answer to that? Who is with you?
With me, ag oper coworkers, ag oper,
Uh-huh.
um,
Luch Oprich.
luch oper,
Luch Oprich. Uh-huh. Okay, so yeah. And so remember the repair, Kimmerchanistu.
kimrahanestu,
Kimmerchanistu co-workers, something like that. Okay, Gleva. Okay. So Heather, now you choose a statement.
Va on amateur fur on J.
Okay, van Amischer Fuhr on J. Okay. And D, why don't you ask a follow-up question?
Envrema. Or Envrema, I guess.
Yeah, okay. Okay.
I
And
couldn't hear
Roima.
it. I couldn't hear it.
Oh, she said
Oh.
Roima. I'm sorry. D, I
Row?
jumped in. Yeah.
Roima. Oh.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. And then Heather, what would you answer?
Hai ma.
Vaima. Okay,
Vai
Gleva.
ma. Vai
Okay.
ma.
Okay. And then D, how would you ask a follow-up question?
Person.
Carson. Okay, Gleva. Yeah. Okay. Heather, what would you say to that?
Haro Agirin Aun?
Caro. Oh,
Agirin?
Agaric.
Agirig Aun.
Agaric.
Haro Agirig Aun.
Oh, Gleva. Okay, it was not winter. Okay, Gleva. Okay.
Oh, I meant to
Gleva.
say the sun. I was trying to say the sun.
Agreeing.
Agreeing. Okay.
Agreeing. Yeah,
Yeah.
Garrick would be
Haro
winter.
Agreeing Aun.
Uh-huh. Oh, Gleva. Okay. 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 And then remember that rather than saying, how do you say,
Oh yeah.
what do we want to say? Kimmer
J Hashin
Kimmerachanistu.
Kimarahanis
Too.
Yeah,
sun.
Kimmerachanistu.
Okay, I thought I was saying sun, but
How do you say? You know, Kimmerachanistu, the sun.
agreeing.
Yeah,
Agreeing.
yeah, I agree. Yeah, okay, Gleva. Okay. And then D, how about you choose a sentence?
I mean, again, Blue and J.
J, do you look?
Hi me, again, Blue and J. Still can't hear me.
Oh, okay. Oh, Jaime on Vu on J. Okay, Gleva. Duly,
Okay,
duly.
yeah.
Okay, yeah. Okay. And then who's has anybody not gone? Heather, Lisa. Okay. Oh, are we back to the beginning? Okay, so who started us off? Lisa? Okay. Lisa, why don't you uh ask a follow-up question?
Uh,
So she said Jaime on Vu on J.
Vu.
What would be a follow-up question?
Um, Katja?
Yeah, Katja. Very good. Yeah, Katja. Like J Boo, what store? Katja. So D, can you answer that? Katja.
Mm,
Okay, so name a
Jaime,
store. Yeah, go ahead.
Jaime yan, um,
J,
Walmart.
J, Dulick.
Walmart.
Oh, Walmart. Okay, Gleva. Okay. Kayuyan Walmart. Okay, Gleva. Okay. I guess Lisa, another follow-up.
Um, Timur, Hannes, like like where, like Anza,
Yeah. Uh,
Anza,
Gle, J.
like where,
Okay.
what
Yeah. Well, I think you
area,
already asked that. Yeah, you already asked Katja.
what town, and I was trying to think of the word for town,
Oh.
like
Uh,
which Walmart,
okay.
gotcha, yeah,
Okay. Yeah. J Walmart.
J Walmart,
J Walmart. Hmm.
Mm,
So name a Bala. Name a Sydney.
Bala, Bala, that's what I was trying to think of,
On J Vala. On J
J
Bala.
Bala, Hana J Bala,
Ounce in Oceanside.
Okay. Gleva. All right. Okay. So anyway, so we had a little conversation there. Okay. And it feels, might feel a little funny now, but we'll get used to it because we'll keep on doing this. Okay. And after a while, you won't need any prompts, and that'll be all I can do to get you guys to shut up. Okay. All right. Okay. Brian chimical aeronacal, to talk around a missing word. Okay. Brian chimical around aeronacal, around. So we say chimical air, around, on a word. Okay. All right. Framic and famo, useful frames. Okay. She a root to hound is a thing, so then you describe it. Uh, uh, Sort of like she en route to hound, Avishina Jennifer, Nera, Roshin Yanavur. That's kind of long, but yeah, it's a thing that we do when we go to the ocean. Okay. She dunya a hound. It is a person. She dunya a hound, and then you describe the person. A coper Ansavu, okay, who works in a store. She acha a hound. It is a place. You see, so yeah, so we're trying to get you know, yeah, so we're trying to describe around it. Hi Beck, okay, or She root Beck, okay. No root more. Hi Beck, hi more, okay. Hi Che, hi Fur, hi ounce of kitchen, ounce and tie, so you can say where it is. Okay, hi ounce of kitchen, ounce and tie. Bishin gechlekek ersan, we use it for, Bísin go chleicig son scríomhar. We use it for writing, so what would it be? Okay. Bísin go ihe. We eat it. Go ol. Drink it. Go chur oren. Put it on us, like wear it. Okay. All right. So different ways that you can use these phrases. Okay. So anyway, so 2 examples. So a hidden word is spawn. Okay. It's not hidden because this is an example.
It's fun.
So you say, Chanyo kunya akum an akkel.
Aaron Akkel.
She root bekkahow.
She root Becca.
How?
Hi ounce a kitchen.
Hi on the kitchen.
Bishin gechlekkig son brood ia.
Bishin
Gechlekkig son
Kleta.
brood
Person
ia.
brood eka.
Yeah, we use it to eat soup. Oh, spawn. You see, spoon, right? Okay. Lorlau. Okay, Lorlau. Okay, that's a hidden word. We don't know it. She'acha hound. Okay, so so sort of like 20 questions, right? Halorikinown. Oh, Lorican. Oh, so it's a place and it has books in it. Bidonia Alievikown. People read in it. Oh, and then we go, Lorlown, a library. Lorlown. Okay. Okay, so that's how this works. Okay, so Fako Falacha Edifahun. Okay. Hanya kunya akam an ako. Hanya kunya akam an ako. Okay. Sheirut Bekkahow. Sheirut Bekkahow. It's a little thing. High ounce of class.
High ounce of class.
It's in a class, in the class, okay? Bishin gechlekkig son scríver.
Bishin
Gechlekkig son scríver. J-A. What is it?
Pion?
Pion.
Pion. Gleba. Pion. Okay, gleba. Okay. Balachit aga. Hanya kunya akum an akkel. Sheirut morahound.
Sheirut
Morahound.
It's a big thing.
Okay.
High ounce on tie, I guess ounce of class. Okay. So it's in the house and in the class.
Okay.
Bishin gechlekkig son suya. Bishin gechlekkig son suya. We use it for sitting. Jason.
Kahir.
A kahir. Yeah, gleba. Kahir.
Yeah.
Kahir. Yay. Okay. All right. Bako falacha a 3. Hanya kunya akam an akkel. She jioch ahound. Jioch ahound. It's a drink. Hai che gutrik.
Okay.
It's often hot. Bishin gahol ounce of atom. We drink it a gahol ounce of atom.
Coffee.
Ounce of atom.
Coffee.
Okay, Jay?
Tea, no coffee.
Tea, no coffee.
Tea, no coffee.
Okay. I put tea, but if you said
Okay.
coffee, that would be correct too. Okay. Tea, no coffee. Yeah. Flavor. Tanya kunya akam an akkel. I can't remember the word. Okay. I beck no more. It's big or small.
Oh.
I beck no more. Or it's small or big. Okay. I care kassen echa. It has care kassen.
Oh, I know.
4 legs. Okay. Vaegra off.
Yeah,
Jason. Huh?
Cool.
Cool. Yeah, Tleva. Okay. All right. Okay. So I'm Fako Giaver. Okay. Okay. All right. So, okay. So, we'll come back to this if we have time, or maybe I'll ask you to prepare something for us for next week. In fact, that's a good exercise for next week. Okay. So I'll ask you so I'll send this out as an exercise for you guys, each one of you to come up with a faculty and what do we have? We have, 1, 2, 3, questions to give us clues about it. Okay. All right. So we'll do that next week. Okay. Bechen agus oeuvren. Okay. Ideas or opinions agus reasons. Agree, disagree, or explain. Jadovek. What do you think? What is your idea? Okay. Also be interpreted as what is your opinion? Okay. Namvexa. Vexa, in my opinion. Aun mo vec. That num carries a lot of weight. It scrunches it all together. Aun mo vec. Okay. And sa is an emphatic. In my opinion. Okay. Hami shmunikuk gavel. I think that Hami aguntikuk. If somebody says something like, oh, Hashin Bria, you can say, oh, Hami aguntikuk. Okay. Hi Wavisak Bria. The person says, that's beautiful. And then you could say, oh, Hami aguntikuk. I agree. Hi Wavisak, it's terribly beautiful. Okay. Hanyomi aguntikuk. I don't agree. Okay. Hanyele Buria. Okay. Somebody's looking at modern art, they think it's beautiful and you go, ugh. Okay. All right. So Carson, if somebody says Namvexa, you say Carson, why? Here we have Carson again. Or, and because. Okay. Or but. Yeah. Okay. Namvexa, a coffee nashar na tea. Okay. Namvexa, a coffee nashar na tea. Okay. Coffee is better than tea. Namvexa. Okay. Chanyomi aguntikuk. I don't agree. It's tolum tea. Okay. Why? Or ha tea blasta. I guess how coffee ro lacher. Coffee is too strong. Tea is blasta, tasty. A coffee ro lacher. Okay. Coffee is too strong. Okay. Okay. So, Oper an Karian, Jadovek. So, following the prompts on the next page, one student starts the conversation by stating an opinion. I will call on next student to ask a follow-up question or agree or disagree. And student number 1 will respond. Example, a cake nishar na pie. Carson. And then student number 1 has to say, well, okay, why? Okay, all right, so tug fair hue. Okay, choose one of these. Okay, so let's see. So Lisa started first last time, so let's start with Heather this time. Heather, okay. Choose one.
Navexa ha catch nas air na coin.
Gleva. Okay. And then D, why don't you ask a follow-up question?
Carson.
Carson. Okay.
Wait.
Huh?
Well, you chose number 4, right?
Yeah.
I'm sorry?
You chose number 4, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. And then what was your follow-up, D?
Carson.
Carson. Okay. All right. Okay. And what would your answer be, Heather?
Istalum catch. Carson. Haniel Kunya Akam here on Fakal. Cute.
Jay?
Acute
Oh, cute, cute. Snoke, Snoke,
snoke.
Snoke. Okay, hi, it's Snoke. Okay, deliver.
Hi, snoke.
Okay, deliver.
Nas snoke
Okay,
coin.
okay, deliver. Okay. D, so why don't you choose one?
Mm, a Gaelic, not a Cèilidh.
On Sauerich. Okay, deliver. Okay. And then Lisa, what would your
Carson.
follow-up be?
Carson.
Carson. Okay, deliver. Okay, D, what would you answer?
Or Istulum, amateur fuller.
Okay, deliver, deliver. Okay. And let's see. Yeah, Heather, Lisa, D. Okay, yeah, okay. Uh, okay. And then Lisa. Oh, okay, yeah. So now we have to go to Lisa. So Lisa, so now you choose one, right?
Biek sa. Ha coffee nas ver na tea.
The T. Okay, clever. And then I think Heather, we go to you to ask a follow-up.
Hami Guntugu.
How are we going to go, clever? How are we going to go?
Um,
Okay. All right, clever. Heather agrees.
Carson USA. I don't know.
Okay.
Carson.
And right.
Ha
You say
coffee blasta.
coffee blaster. Okay, flavor. Okay. Coffee gel? No, coffee do. Do you know that?
Coffee Gale.
Coffee gel. Okay. Which refers to, coffee with milk. Yeah, they refer to white coffee, coffee gel. Okay,
I
flavor.
guess sugar.
Okay. Okay.
I
I
guess
guess sugar. I
I
guess
guess
sugar.
I
sugar.
guess sugar.
Okay, flavor. Flavor. Okay. All right.
Le Banya.
Hey, August Bond. Yeah, sure. Coffee gel. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Kushkori Muyirik.
So you wouldn't say with milk? I mean
No,
with
no, no.
you
The
wouldn't say
coffee
banya?
gel. Yeah. No. Because the
white,
coffee gel
white.
means with milk.
Okay.
Coffee dew is without milk.
Black
Yeah.
and white.
Yeah, black coffee and white coffee. Yeah. Good. Okay. Kushmayirik. Okay. All right. So why don't I ask the questions and then you answer, and yeah, so anyway, uh Lisa, J rain u on J. J rain u on J.
You did. Rain.
J rain u on J. What did you do yesterday? J rain u on J.
Ag oper.
Avo
Ami ag oper. Yeah.
va mi
Avami ag oper.
Fleva. Okay. Okay. August D. J. This should be bu adol ayena famarik. J bu adol ayena famarik. What will you what are you going to do tomorrow? Or J ha u adol ayena famarik. What are you going to do tomorrow?
Be me agree. Be me agree.
J, I'm Dilek.
Be me agree.
Oh, I missed that. I'm sorry.
Be me agree.
The Cooper?
Hang on. Agree. Run.
Oh, Rui. Okay, Gleva. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Okay, Gleva. Okay. I guess Heather. Uh, we already got that. Okay. J.S. Tolet Ayenov. J.S. Tolet Ayenov. What do you like to do? J.S. Tolet Ayenov.
Istalum, uh, Aran a kokrak, Aran, Hanyal kunya akam ako, Aran,
Aran bread?
yeah, kokrak,
Oh, kokarak. Oh, okay.
kokrak,
Okay,
yeah,
yeah. Afunya.
a funya bake,
Bake. Yeah, yeah.
a
Yeah,
funya
okay.
Aran sour.
Okay,
I don't
Aran.
know if there's a word for sourdough, but
Jay, Dirk?
sourdough,
Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Sheriff. Aran Sheriff.
Aran sheriff,
Aran Sheriff. Yeah. Sour bread. Okay, Aran Sheriff. Oh, Gleva. Jay, Gleva. Okay. Gleva. Humshiv Rish Gaelic. Okay, Gleva. Okay. Yeah, and Helik. The Shiel Jan Virla.
don't
So
switch to
review. Don't
English.
switch to English. The
Okay.
Shiel Jan Virla. Okay. All right. So a review. Okay, you forgot the word. Chanyo kunya akam eranako. Or Sheyan Acha Hound. You can say something like that. Teacher speaks too fast. I'm talking too fast. Naslutika. Or Arisht. Or you don't understand the word. Jehashinakilakak. What does that mean? Invitation with refusal. Avil usur. Are you free? Hamidulek han urengo. I can't. Stoka la ela. Okay, so actually we didn't cover those. Anyway, all right, so opinion with reason. Jadovek. Hamia Guntikuk. Hanielmia Guntikuk. Karsan. Orth. Okay. And rule of the game, when stuck, use a repair phrase. And I'm going to eliminate this one because that's not relevant to what we went over. So anyway, all right. Okay. All right. Okay. All right. Okay. Opergahi. Okay. The missing word, write a 6-line dialogue where one person forgets a word and describes it. Option 2, write 5 sentences giving an opinion. Use numvexa. Okay. 5 phrases memorize 5 rescue phrases you can use when your sentence gets muddy. Small phrases, large magic. Okay. All right. So, all right. Okay. All right. So, all right. Okay, so that's about it for tonight. And as I said, just about hit the mark. I landed on the mark. Okay, okay, all right, okay, all right. So, any questions? Okay, okay,
No, that was good. It
that was
makes
good. Okay, well,
makes
I'm
my
glad. Good.
brain work.
Yeah, yeah. Keeps us working, and then and then also the help, the phrases that help us that we can use to ask for help. Okay, Kimmer too. How do you say, or what's the word? Sometimes we even say something like that in English, right? We're this big. Oh, now what's the word for when don't be afraid to use those asking for help phrases. Okay, all right. So anyway, so I'm going to send out the 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 slideshow version of this, and then you can review it. And then please prepare a couple things for us for next week. Okay, yeah, I'll include that. You have that at the end, the homework. Okay, and then we'll continue. And then each week we will cover a different domain. It's not all going to be so. Tonight it was a lot of classroom type stuff, how to ask for help and things like that. But we'll be expanding into different domains. I mean, like work and play and whatever. All right. Okay. Okay. Any last minute points or questions? No? Okay. All right. Gleva. Okay. All right. Mornentang, Huladunya, Mornentang, Himi, Shiv, and Ah Hechen. Aikava.
Aikava.
Akava.